Na ipo haja ya kuhamasisha wazazi kuhusu mfumo mpya kutathmini utendakazi wa wanafunzi shuleni. Haya yamejiri kwenye mkutano wa kusherehekea siku ya kimataifa ya elimu iliyoleta pamoja washikadau mbalimbali katika sekta ya elimu, wazazi na wanafunzi. Wakizungumza kwenye hafla hiyo hapa jijini Nairobi, washikadau hao wamependekeza Wizara ya Elimu kuwahusisha wazazi kwenye mageuzi ya elimu ili wawe na ufahamu wa kutosha.
Launch has been all about, and as you heard earlier, particularly important on this International Day of Education, is bringing people together from across systems, across the world, to think about how we ensure every child enjoys an education that gives them every skill they need to thrive and succeed. Parents need to be brought along on the journey that is education reform. Parents are very used to being told your child is number 1, your child is number 5, your child is number 10. They're not quite yet adjusted to the assessment system that goes with the reforms. So how do we help parents understand the new system of assessment? How do we help parents understand what that means for their child and the support that their child needs? And then how do teachers and parents work together to ensure each child thrives?
An emphasis on our willingness to listen to them and to hear what their needs are and to really address the real gaps that we are experiencing with our curriculum. But also with education in general, not only in Kenya, but from also a global perspective.
Chuo kikuu cha